Good morning, everybody. It's Tabby McNeil with McNeil's Garage, and today we have something special going on. We're just now leaving Reineke Ford in Lima, where we both work at. We are going up to his hometown in Michigan for a week for mobile service. We're going to be doing a whole lot of recalls up there. So we have the van jam-packed full of parts for all the recalls that we're going to be doing. So we're just now leaving. It's Friday morning at 9:20. We are just now heading out. Our first stop is in about an hour. So I'm going to take you guys along with this week-long adventure. We don't know how it's going to go. It's going to be a trial run for us and for work. So we're going to see how it goes. You have anything to say?
We have a lot of appointments.
We do. Today we have 15.
Total we have 95.
Total we have 95. And that's not including anywhere that we stop on the way. Like if we just see a random mom and pop shop that has Fords on their lot, we're stopping. We're going to stop. We're going to see what they have, if they have any recalls. I have something in the back of the van for if we, like I said, if we stop on the way or whatever. I have something that we can write the make, model, VIN, everything. So hopefully we're gonna get more appointments than just 95 this week. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
Okay.
So but I will be back in an hour at our next stop. All right, so we made it to our first stop. We're actually just now leaving. I forgot to do a video, whatever.
It was dirt and it was nasty. We'll get out of here.
Yeah. We got there at 10:35 and we are leaving at 11:40. So we were there for about an hour. It's pretty good.
Isn't that how much one recall pays?
Yeah. We did a brake hose on a Fusion and that took us 40 minutes. And then we did 2 door latch repeat repairs on Focuses. So that one, they had their door latches replaced, and then they came out with another recall for the repeat repair because some of them were getting messed up, and so we have to go through and check out the latches. And then we have to submit it to our warranty stuff, and it's a whole lot of computer work that I have to do later when we get to his house. So we're going to our next stop now. It's an update and power window chrome tip replacement. So like on the window switches, the little chrome pieces, that is a recall because they chip off and they stab you in the finger and it kind of hurts. So we're gonna be there in about 20 minutes and we've got one there, so awesome sauce. Right, we're at our next stop. This place is huge. We had 13 and then a couple of them were sent to auction or other places. So we're doing one here that's at the mechanics lot, and then we got to go over to sales and get the rest of the keys. So right now I'm doing a PCM update and I launched the wrong software. So some of them take FDRS, which is our newer software, and this is a 2020, so I thought it was going to be FDRS, but this one takes IDS, which is our older software, and it takes care of our older vehicles. So yeah, all I have to do here is this update, and then we'll be done over here. And then we have, I think now we have like 10 other cars to do over in the other lot, so hopefully it'll be a good day for us. All right, so we're here at our next stop. I didn't record because it's like 20 degrees out and it's really cold. We did a drain tube on this, and then we're doing a PCM update with it. Yeah, here, let me show you the computer that we got in here going. So, it's almost done now. So it's checking the software update because we just did a PCM update on it. And after this, we just got to clear codes, make sure the tube that we put in it is seated in. And then, yeah, that should be it. So we have a couple more stops for the day. One more on our schedule. This one wasn't really on our schedule, but we seen it, and so we just stopped. So yeah, we'll see you next. We're back. This is Monday morning, and first thing we're doing a shifter bushing on this Mustang. Want to watch me do a shifter bushing? You gotta take a whole bunch of junk off. And of course it's like 40 degrees out this morning. Likes to get stuck at the bottom of this air box. Oh, there we go. Because you gotta take so much stuff off in order to get to the shifter bushing. You gotta take this whole air box off.
Things just snap together.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, girl, use the muscles.
Oh, there we go. Oh, one more. There we go. Jiminy Christmas. Oh. Okay. Let's get the whole thing out. And then, if you look over here, right here, you just gotta pop.
Hold on, let me get in there.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. You gotta pop that bad boy off. And then, this screwdriver is a little too big, but it's fine. So, we replaced it with this new one. That old one was kind of like a pale color. This one's like a bright yellow. Hold that, please. And then so you turn it upside down, you take it, and you just kind of just shove it in there. And then I like to use the bottom of this to my advantage. And then just shove this down on it. So the bushing sits in there. You put it back on the little prong thing. Those are technical terms, by the way. There we go. Wait till you hear it snap. And then a little cap here.
Which was not on before.
Yeah. So we put that on there and it snaps in. Beautiful.
Get your keys for it?
No,
Here. Here's the keys. Yep.
Hello. Now we can just put everything back in.
Which is just as fun as taking it out.
Yeah. A lot of people take the airbox completely apart and like the filter and everything in it. But like me personally, that's just too many steps. That's too many more steps that I don't want to do. So.
And those are the dumbest design.
Yeah. Some of them don't have that extra tube, which is nice, but this one has that extra tube. Come on there. Oh man. There we go. And then it's no fun getting this back in there.
No, it's not.
Because you have to align this tab here with the bottom of that one. And then you have to sit there and fiddle with it. Oh, there we go. Oh man, I'm just freaking awesome. I don't know about you, but.
Alright. Alright.
All right, so that's it for this one. And we got a lot of stops today. We have like 25 appointments today, so I'm sure we'll show you a lot more. So for now, I'll see you later. It is Thursday. We are here at one of our stops, and it has been snowing. So this is what we've got to do for the VINs. To scan the VINs, and this particular lot has a lot of Fords. We're both really, really cold, huh, babe?
Oh, it's a little chilly.
Yeah, we have to use our fantastic ice scraper for this one. Yeah, it's fine. But yeah, we've been scanning all the Fords. Both of us are frozen. So, awesome.
Well, we got it rolling now because someone had to tell her that she had the drill going the wrong way to drill a hole. Yeah. You're bad.
Okay.
I don't know if I can.
That's fine.
I don't know if I'm getting it or not.
That's fine. We can get the next one.
It's not very fun in the snow.
Watch your faces.
Oh yeah, I can see that.
Hey, did you know that it was chilly outside?
Yeah, I'm standing out here with you.
It's chilly. Well, for all the viewers at home.
I was gonna say all the viewers that are
outside.
sitting in there in their heat.
Yeah. Whoa.
Just like that.
We had to double up on the gloves.
It's not helping.
Chilly, no. It's not helping.
My hand's gonna fall off.
Here's these, by the way.
Yeah, plastic push pins, that's all.
Just like that. Just like that.
This is called the roof rack trim because apparently those fly off on people. Who would have thought?
Just like the A-colors that we just did on these. Oh, Mama Service van. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah. What happened?
How's them A-pillars look, babe?
Looks like they passed me.
He's a professional at showing people how to pass these A-pillars. How they look?
No move?
Oh, no move.
Whether it's because it's frozen or not, I don't know, but it don't move.
Pass on that side. Pass? Awesome. That was our A-pillar inspection. We also have a roof rack trim detachment on this one where you drill the holes in the top, but if you can't tell, they look a little covered in snow. So, I don't know. He's gonna wipe them off and see if they're too frozen or we might do them. I don't know. We'll see in a minute. Alright guys, it's Friday. It is still snowing. Jason's in there. He doesn't have a big coat, so he's been chilly. So if I can set this up right. Oh, hold on, wait. There's the van. Open service. Reineke Ford. Anyway, so this one we're doing a drain tube on. So we've got to take this off, and then as soon as I take it off, I loosened it already, but as soon as I take it off, I'm going to show you where exactly we put this here, this drain tube here. So, I just take the whole airbox part off and this part, and then I don't know if you're really gonna be able to see it. No, I don't think I can get you in there. But it's just like right behind here. You slip this part. Oh, I just got snow on me. Okay, anyway. You slip this part into the engine block and then you feed that down over here yonder. And then you put this Loctite on this part and then you slide it in and you feed this down. But I like to feed this down, make sure that the clips hit where they need to hit, and then slide it in and Loctite it in so that I don't have to take it out again and do all that fun stuff. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished the drain tube. Jason's still in there doing the, you have to do a PCM update after that. So yeah, I see him right there. So he's doing that, and I get back in the van because it's a little chilly. My hands are turning red already. And after this though, we are done with this stop, and then we have to go somewhere else. I think we have like 20, on my little post-it note here, it says we have 25 appointments. The place that we're at right now, we were supposed to go to on Monday, but they were closed. So we just decided we were gonna swing back here because we have to come into Jackson anyway today for our stop after this. So yeah, I think we've got, I don't even know how many appointments we have in the next stop. So I guess we'll see. So we'll see. All right, guys, it is Monday morning. We left Michigan at I think 8 this morning, and it's currently 11:15. We are at our third stop. These people are pretty nice. The 3 stops that we've stopped at, they just let us do what we need to do. He's out there checking an A-pillar right now. Did it pass?
Yeah.
Okay. We have that, and then
I'm about to pass here in a second.
It's really cold out. It's not snowing yet up here.
We're also too far north for the snow.
That is also true. We're north where Dad and them are at. It is a blizzard right now. The last time I seen it was like 9 inches of snow and like an inch of sleet on top. So we don't have that. We're very lucky. But if we look here, there's snow on the ground obviously and up here and stuff. But yep. So here we got an update. Yeah, we're at the update right now, and then the A-pillar we just inspected, he said he passed, so perfect. And then we've got a wiper motor and a zip tie to do. So we'll bring you.
We got a zip tie to do out here?
That means we have to crawl underneath the truck and put a zip tie, a big zip tie and tape on the rear axle of an F-150. So it's gonna be great. All right, so we finished in total all week long 59 appointments. We had 59. We originally went up there with 95, 93? 93 or 95, whatever.
It's been a long week.
So we didn't do that good, but we still managed to do basically 60 appointments. I'm just gonna call it 60.
That's still pretty good.
Yeah, I think we did pretty good.
That's the nature of mobile service.
Yeah, we never really know if they have anything or if they don't,
They sell the cars,
or somebody already did it, or yeah.
They send them off to auction because they're junk.
Yeah, that too. We had
That's
that a lot.
happened a few times this week.
We had about 15 scheduled, well, not really scheduled, but like I had found a couple for our way down, and we were only able to do 8 because we have all of the brake hoses for the dealership, and there's a brake hose at the dealership right now that needs to be done by 2:30, and it's currently 1:30. So we're about 10 minutes from the dealership. So all in all, I think it was a pretty good week. It was nice to have a little bit of a break and just do mobile service. It was downside, it was really cold out, and
every single day.
Yeah, it was really cold out, but we still had fun, I think. But I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If anybody has any questions for either one of us, comment, do all that fun things, I reckon. But it's Tabby McNeil with McNeil's Garage with
Jason.
saying see y'all later.